Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Students, in this lecture we will discuss about the third type of non-finite verb, that is participles. Now, as you all know, there are two types of participles, or you can say there are three types of participle: present, past and perfect. Now, what is participle? A participle is that form of verb which has characteristic of an adjective and a verb. Now, participles जो हैं they behave like a adjective or a verb, that we have already discussed when we have discussed about the gerund. Like gerunds, they behave like a noun. Okay, so this is the difference between present participle and gerund, because both are the ing form of the verb, but gerund behave like a noun and present participle they behave like a adjective. Okay, so participles जो हैं they behave like adjective or as a verb. Now let's see about the present participle. Present participle, first form of verb plus ing form, that is the formula for present participle. Now present participle end with ing and represent an action as going on or incomplete. So present participle, it represent the action which is going on, means which is going on, still it is going on, and it is not completed. Okay, for example, we met a girl carrying a basket of flour. So here carrying is used as a verb. Here we met a girl carrying a basket of flour. It was a tiring journey. So tiring here, it is used as a adjective here. Okay, because we have described the journey, how the journey was tiring. The blind man, thinking all was safe, tried to cross the road. So again here thinking is used as a present participle. Now let's talk about the past participle. The past participle, they use third form of verb, as you all know, that is the perfect form, and is usually end in ed or d, t, en or n. So the words, they end up with these words. For example, driven, baked, okay, sent. So these all are the third form of verb. Now for example, she looks tired. So how she looks tired. So here it is adjective, because we are describing the subject here. The candidate selected for the post is my mother. So here again selected ed is there, so it is a past participle form. Driven by hunger, she stole an apple. So here it is used as an adjective. So it is again a past participle form. The house was burned. He gave a written complaint. So here written is used as an adjective. So these are the few examples to show past participle form. Now let's look few more example. Duped by our tour guide, we return to the hotel. Now duped माने होता है ठगना, किसी को ठगना. सो ठगने के बाद जो टूर गाइड था उसने हमें ठगा, उसके बाद हम होटल के लिए we return to the hotel. Now next, just see, we saw a few men bent by the weight of a heavy sacks. Now the highlighted words are example of past participle. As you can see here, duped and bent, these are the example of past participle, and here they are used as a verb and as adjective. Okay, because they modified the underlined pronoun or noun. Okay, so past participle form of verb usually end in ed, t or n. They describe action that have been completed. Now we have seen present participle, which represent an ongoing action or action which is incomplete, means जो complete नहीं हुआ है. But past participle जो form होगा, it describes the action which has been completed, जो complete हो चुका है action. Okay, so in this way you can identify. Now let's discuss few conditions when this participle is used as attributes. For example, the broken glass lay scattered by the ground. So how is the glass here? ग्लास को यहाँ पे ग्लास की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक बताई जा रही है. एट्रीब्यूट्स मीन्स होता है कैरेक्टर. So the glass was broken. So it is used, you can say it is used as an adjective here. The lost chance never returned. So here again chance is how chance कैसी है? The lost chance never returns. So it is used as an attribute. Next is in the predicate modify the subject or the object. Now it is also used in the predicate participle forms, and they modify the subject or the object. For example, we found the child weeping. So it is modifying the object because the object is the child here, and child कैसा यहाँ पे बताया गया है? weeping child. Okay, he kept us waiting. Okay, now he kept us waiting. Now here again us जो है that is modified, that is he kept us waiting. So यहाँ पे subject modify हो रहा है कि उसने हमको इंतज़ार कराया. Now next is participle is also used as the subjective complement. For example, the story is the subject here, was is the complement here. The story was interesting. The trek was very tiring. So here both the story and the trek word, they are the subjective, and it is used as a subjective complement here. As a part of a phrase that function as an adjective. Now as a part of a phrase, as you all know, phrase क्या होते हैं? Group of words होते हैं. For example, the boy standing at the gate. Okay, so here it is used as a part of the phrase standing at the gate. At the gate is a phrase here, is my brother. So the boy standing at the gate is my brother. So here standing word is used as an adjective here. So it is a so it is again a participle form. Okay, now next see a few more examples. Now when we join the sentences, so the sentences can be joined by using participle also. For example, the boy saw a dog, it was coming towards him. Now this is two different sentences. Now if we need to join these sentences, then we can join them by using participle form. For example, the boy saw the dog coming towards him. Next, Sheila opened the box. She took out an old manuscript. Opening the cupboard, Sheila took out an old manuscript. Now here the word coming and opening, that is used as a present participle. Okay, present participle की तरह यूज़ किया गया है. और इसमें if you will see in both the sentences the action is taking at the same time. ठीक है, the action is not finished as in past participle, but in present participle. Here you can see in both the sentences the action, both the action, दो actions हो रहे हैं. लड़के ने डॉग को देखा एंड इट वॉज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स, और वो उसके पास भी आ रहा था. तो दो एक्शन साथ साथ हो रहे हैं, देख भी रहा है और डॉग जो है उसके पास भी आ रहा है, उसकी तरफ भी आ रहा है. सो when the actions they are taking place at the same time, then what happened? One finite verb is removed. So as you can see यहाँ पे दो finite verbs हैं. Okay, like you can see the boy saw a dog. So saw is a finite verb. It was coming towards him. So again here is also a finite verb. It was coming towards him. So here one will be removed. In such cases the one finite verb is removed. So we use the continuous form of participle, that is present participle. So the boy saw the dog coming towards him. Okay. Now next हम बात करते हैं. But sometimes the second action begins only after the first has finished. Now this we have seen in the top, we have seen ki how to join the sentence using present participle. Now we can also join the sentences using past participle. Okay, but in past participle here what you have to see, that the second action began only when the first has been completed. ठीक है, जब एक फर्स्ट एक्शन कंप्लीट हो रहा है तब दूसरा स्टार्ट हो रहा है. तो उस कंडीशन में हम जो क्या करते हैं, वी कन्वर्ट द वर्ब डिनोटिंग द फर्स्ट एक्शन इनटू पार्टिसिपल। तो जो वर्ब जो है फर्स्ट एक्शन शो कर रही है उसको हम पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही हैड लॉस्ट ऑल हिज मनी, ही वेंट टू हिज मदर फॉर हेल्प। नाउ फर्स्ट एक्शन इज़ कि वो सारी मनी अपनी खो चुका था। देन ही वेंट टू हिज मदर फॉर हेल्प, उसके बाद वो अपने मदर के पास गया। नाउ फर्स्ट एक्शन इज कि ही हैड लॉस्ट ऑल हिज मनी, सो दिस सेंटेंस, दिस वर्ब विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू पार्टिसिपल। तो क्या हो जाएगा, हैविंग लॉस्ट ऑल हिज मनी ही वेंट टू हिज मदर फॉर हेल्प। So this is an example of perfect participle where the action has been completed at some time in the past, means the action is already completed or some time before in the past. But in present participle we have seen that the action was going simultaneously. Okay, now look at these sentences. Walking down the road, amusing sight was seen. Now this is not correct way of writing. Why? Because in this sentence there is no noun or pronoun to which the participle walking referring. Now there is no noun, as you can see, ये ना ही तो कोई noun है ना ही pronoun है जिसको participle walking, जो walking है participle वो refer कर रहा है, किसको refer कर रहा है? There is no noun. So how you will written? The correct form of this sentence is walking down the road, I saw an amusing light. So now there is a pronoun, that is I. So this is the correct way of writing the sentence when you have to join the two sentences. So these points you need to remember while joining the sentences. So this is all about the participle form. So hope you all have understood. Thank you, students.